Hi guys, Gareth Tansey here from Dr. G Sneaker Laundry. Today I'm going to be doing a different type of custom. This is because of the virus and there's been a delay in getting products to me. So I'm going to flip it up and do something a bit different. Check this out. So now the grenade is nice and dry after putting a white adhesion on it. I'm now going to speed it up and show you the rest of the custom. So now I have added all the vinyl onto the grenade, so time to go and spray. So it's the start of a new day. I'm just going to check the grenade now. I've left it under a container outside all night so that I can leave it to dry naturally. So let's have a look, see what it's come out like. Here we go. So still got the little stickers on from the vinyl. I'm going to go inside and peel it off. So I've now just got the grenade in from outside, pins out obviously, and then I've done it here. But what I'm going to do is next you're going to see close-ups of how I've done it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing something different, and please don't forget to smash up the subscribe button. If you like what you see, give us a like, leave a comment, feel free to share, that would be really appreciated. And until next time, we'll see you soon. Peace.